In a major step towards boosting Nigeria's oil and gas production, the NNPCL and Total Energies have officially announced a $550 million final investment decision on the Ubeta field development project. The milestone is in line with the current administration's executive order on the oil and gas reforms, aimed largely at improving the investment climate and positioning Nigeria as the preferred investment destination for the oil and gas sector in Africa. The Ubeta field, discovered in 1964 northwest of Port Harcourt in the eastern part of the Niger Delta, will once on stream produce about 350 mm cubic of gas and 10,000 bbls per day of associated liquids, tapping into the vast gas reserve and contributing towards securing gas supply to the Nigerian liquefied natural gas. The Ubeta project is the latest in a series of projects developed by Total Energies in Nigeria. According to government sources, the Ubeta project fits perfectly with government strategy of developing low-cost and low-emission projects, and it will contribute to the Nigerian economy through higher NLNG exports. The project stands out as a testament to the effectiveness of government policies aimed at creating a conducive environment for investment in the gas sector. Located in OML 58, the Ubeta gas condensate field will be developed with a new 6-well cluster connected to the existing Ubeta facilities through an 11 km buried pipeline. Production startup is expected in 2027 with a plateau of 300 million cubic feet per day, about 70,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day including condensate. Gas from Ubeta will be supplied to NLNG, a liquefaction plant located in Bonny Island, with an ongoing capacity expansion from 22 to 30 MTPA, in which NNPCL holds a 49% interest. The Ubeta project is a low-emission and low-cost development, leveraging on OML 58 existing gas processing facility. The carbon intensity of the project will be further reduced through the 5 MW solar plant currently under construction at the Ubeta site and the electrification of drilling rig. Total Energies is working closely with NNPCL to enhance local content, with more than 90% of man-hours which will be worked locally. The Ubeta final investment decision justifies the effort invested by NNPCL with unyielding executive support into tackling the underlying reasons that have plagued the unattractiveness of the Nigerian oil and gas industries to foreign investors in recent years. The Ubeta project has a robust Nigerian content plan and is poised to stimulate economic activities, create job opportunities, and create significant value for stakeholders. Nigeria, a leading oil-producing nation, has struggled to attract the right investment to scale its oil and gas industries, despite having the largest gas reserve base in Africa. This is a major economic challenge, especially as the petroleum sector accounts for about 90% of the nation's forex earning and significant contributor to government income, though it only contributes about 8% to Nigeria's GDP. In 2021, the federal government of Nigeria signed the Petroleum Industry Act into law, designed to revolutionize Nigeria's oil and gas sector and attract foreign direct investment. Since the enactment, there is still a lull in attracting local and international investment, especially due to the perceived fiscal inadequacy and general business-economic environment instability. The current administration has been proactive in its effort to address issues in the sector with the aim of making Nigeria competitive and attractive to accelerate investment. The current government announced a series of reforms, including 3 directives to introduce fiscal incentives for oil and gas projects, reduce contracting costs, and promote cost efficiency and local content requirements. Within a short period of time of the current reform, Nigeria has begun to see new investment interest. The $550 million investment in Ubeta field development project is poised to boost Nigeria's domestic gas supply as earlier stated. The joint venture investment aligns with the recent directives of government which aims to boost Nigeria's domestic gas supply and economic development. The directives are predicted to attract new investment and revive dormant projects with over $10 billion worth of projects over the next 18 months. The Ubeta project with its capacity will serve Nigeria's domestic market and augment supply to NLNG. This project signifies a major step in advancing energy security, a cornerstone of the federal government of Nigeria's plans to achieve sustained economic development through improved local gas utilization. The project is also expected to relaunch economic activities and job creation in the sector, as well as stimulate activities in auxiliary SMEs within the local communities. With this announcement, the administration's intent to strengthen the PIA with new directives is boosting Nigeria's attractiveness to investment in the oil and gas industry. This current project appears to be the first step to improve Nigeria's gas supply capability, including domestic gas and economic development by extension. The project is also expected to also enable capacity utilization and substantial human capacity development, research and development, as well as opportunities for banking, insurance, legal and other services. The approval of the final stage of the Nigerian content plan for this project was one of the first acts performed by the current administration upon assumption of office. Among salient elements of the Nigerian content plan for Ubeta Field Development Facility is the domiciliation of 100% of its project management man-hours in Nigeria. Same for front-end engineering design and detailed design, which will be domiciled 100% in Nigeria with current licensed engineering companies as preferred executors. In addition to this, the project is expected to give first consideration to in-country manufacturers that have valid Nigerian content equipment certificate from the board regarding materials procurement, while fabrication and constructions are also to be significantly handled by well-established fabrication yards in the country. The Ubeta project fits perfectly well with Nigeria's strategy of developing low-cost and low-emission projects, which will in turn boost the Nigerian economy through higher NLNG exports. Total Energies, one of the partners for this project, has been very active in Nigeria's oil and gas industries for several decades, and the Ubeta is the latest in a series of projects developed by Total Energies in Nigeria in collaboration with the NNPCL. It can also be noted that Total Energies is the operator of OML 58 onshore license with a 40% stake in the $550 million Ubeta Field Development Project, while the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited has 49% equity. In addition, the development of this project will significantly address a vital need as LNG production has recently declined, contributing to the rising cooking gas prices in the country. The development of the Ubeta field is expected to have a long-term positive impact on the domestic gas supply in Nigeria, with LNG production having seen recent decline, causing cooking gas prices to soar as earlier stated. The Ubeta project promises to stabilize and potentially reduce gas prices, making it more affordable for everyday Nigerians. Finally, the Ubeta project will be a testament to the relentless effort by the NNPCL, supported by comprehensive executive backing, to resolve challenges that have historically deterred foreign investment in Nigeria's oil and gas sector. The project is expected to stimulate economic activities, create numerous job opportunities, and provide significant value for stakeholders across board. Guys, do well to drop your honest comments in the comment section. Tell us what you think about this project. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.